Now, again you congratulate in the second part of this congruency of triangles. Regarding these triangles, already I have defined two triangles are congruent having the same shape in size. But out of this, we have these four criteria: SAS, SAS, ASA, AAS, RHS. Dear students, just before this video, I have shown you the some important points regarding the congruency of triangles, but due to the communication problem, a technique problem, at the last point I have left some points. So again I am sending you again the remaining portions of this topic or this chapter, congruency of triangle. The remaining part of the topic RHS, that is a right hypotenuse side. Two triangles are said to be congruent if having the same length of the hypotenuse in any other two corresponding sides are equal. So just I have defined here. Here already we have two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. In already we have both are right triangles, means angle B and angle F both angle E both are 90 degree. AC and DF, these are the part of hypotenuse, also given the same. Left any two sides, either I can take AB and DE, or either I can take BC equal to FE. If we got these things, these components within the given two right triangles mean from criteria of congruency, RHS, we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DF. इस प्रकार से हम कह सकते हैं कि ये दोनों ट्रायंगल आपस में congruent हैं. तो dear students, today within the top chapter congruency of the triangle, we learn the following topics, just like congruent object. I mean, two objects are congruent if having the same shape and size. Then congruency of two triangles is two triangles are congruent or two circles are congruent if having the same length of radius. Next one, congruency of two line segments. Two line segments are called congruent if having the same length. Then next one, that the congruency of triangle. And for that we have these criteria: side angle side, angle side, then right hypotenuse side. All these are topics, all these are criteria of congruency through which we can justify either given two triangles are congruent or not. So I hope sure this video give you proper help regarding the clearance of these topics, clearance of this chapter. And my dear students, kindly observe these points carefully. Certainly you will be benefited. At last moment, I congratulate you all. I welcome you all in this video session and wish for you all in this COVID-19 situation. Be aware regarding your health and do study hard. I wish for you all bright and beautiful career. Thank you. Have a nice day.